Hi everybody! Today I'm going to be showing you my everyday summer makeup tutorial when I'm on vacation and just like on the go. This is kind of just like a natural summer glowy-ish makeup tutorial. I don't really wear makeup that much, but when I do not wear makeup, kind of makeup, you don't really know if it's on or if it's off, or you probably know it's on but it's just not like out there. This is about how much makeup I use, so like this kind of gives you an idea of where this is going. Okay, so the first thing I always do before I apply makeup is I use this IT Cosmetics Confidence Eye Cream, because I usually like can't put on anything on my face until I have eye cream on, because I just have really bad dark circles and I get really dry under my eyes. So I just dab that everywhere around my eyes. I'm gonna go in with my Bye Bye Pores IT Cosmetics Concealer. This video is not sponsored by IT Cosmetics, but I usually just use all of their stuff because of my skin. My skin is so sensitive, so I just put a little bit on my middle finger. And this stuff, if you use a lot of it, it will literally look crazy because it's so pigmented and it's just the best. Like, and I usually just put this like that. And I'll put some on my eyelids because I have such veiny and like just different crazy colors on my eyelid. I'll just take a damp beauty blender and just blend. But I'll go like that all the way up right here because I have some veins right there too. And then on my eyelid everywhere. And then I'll kind of just go on my forehead just so it doesn't look like white raccoon eyes. I kind of just put it wherever. Okay, after concealer, I'll go in with another IT Cosmetics product, Your Most Beautiful You, and this just has like highlight, blush, bronzer / contour. It's matte, but it's not too matte. It's kind of like, it gives you a glow. I'm using this IT Cosmetics brush. You know, for this step, I like to have my hair like completely out of my face. Now my hair's out of my face. Oof, okay, please don't judge me on this part because I'm not good at makeup and I just go everywhere. So I just take my bronzer with this blush brush and I go everywhere like that. Angled down, but I also go up my cheeks. And I go in my hairline right there. And down there on my jawline. And go my nose. I'm gonna be taking this brush. This is supposed to be for like concealer, and this is concealer, this is foundation, but I use it for blush and highlight because I feel like it just works better for that. Take that and I go up. Then I take this part . What? No, I'm just finishing my makeup. I'm literally already having my outfit picked out and everything. It's gonna take me 2 seconds to get dressed. Okay, leave now. Thank you. Then I take my highlight. I go on my nose, my brow bone. Then I take my eyeshadow brush. Take my bronzer with this side of my naked brush, and I just blend, and do the same thing on the other lid, just so I add some dimension. And kind of just lightly go over my lid, but not really, just so there's some type of color. And that's all I do for eyeshadow. I take my Anastasia Brow Wit, this part of my brush, brush up. Take that, go on the wings of my eyebrows. Look at me using makeup terms. To the very front of my brows and brush up. Why am I holding my, I don't know, it's on a platter. We'll just keep doing that, it worked. The brows are filled. Then I take this again and I blend so that I don't look crazy. Lash Power Extension Visible Mascara, and it's the best thing I've ever used in my entire life, and it works better than any type of high-end mascara that I've ever used, so yeah. Okay, that's done. You can just see the difference. this is the finished look. It's very glowy, very natural, and really easy. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope this was helpful to you if you guys don't really like wearing makeup, but also want to like look somewhat presentable when you're at the beach. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!